due to the introduction of Bt cotton, which is the genetically modified to essential proteins from the soil bacterium, that is all we know, the Bacillus thuringiensis, and that was the first commercialized in year 2002 against the bollworm. And now the Bt cotton spread rapidly and resulting in greatly increasing productivity and also reducing insecticide the use. So Adilabad district is another northern Telangana zone of AP, and geographically it is situated in between this range. And the soil of the districts is mainly 80% of the soil is black cotton soils, that is clay soils, and the cotton and 20% remaining 20% soil is red chalka soils. And cotton is one of the most important commercial crop that was grown in district from last 50 years onwards. And the cotton yields and rainfall ecosystem are low, mainly due to erratic rainfall, and hence it will be crops suffer from moisture stress during the post-monsoon season, which will coincide with flowering and ball development stage. The majority of the farmers in the districts do not follow the recommended spacing, which is the most important agronomic practice and under rainfall condition to get good crop yields. So based on this, keeping this view in the mind, we keep the objective is to assess the performance of 3 Bt cotton hybrids in both black cotton soils and red chalka soils with 2 different spacing in rainfall conditions, and assessing the impact of chlorous spacing on yield and yield attributes of cotton. So these are some of the locations, 6 different locations on the districts, and the design of experiment is split plot design with Bt hybrid as main plot and spacing as a plot with 7 replication, and mainly the popular hybrids, mainly the 3 popular hybrids that are the Mallika Bolga 2, Rasi Bolga 2, and Paras Brahma Bolga 2 hybrids. Those hybrids are very popular among the farmers. And the spacing in mainly the red chalka soils, that is sandy clay loam soils, the treatment spacing adopted was the 60 into 60 centimeter, and which is the recommended spacing of our university, and it was tested against the farmer practice method, that is 90 into 90 centimeter, that was adopted by farmer. And in case of black cotton soils, the treatment spacing was taken as 90 into 60 centimeter, which is also the recommended spacing, and tested against the farmer practice of 120 into 90 centimeters. If you see here, coming to results here, the experiment was taken in 2 years in farmer fields, particularly the progressive farmers field. You see here, during both the year of study, in case of black cotton soils, the plant height is among the varieties, it is vary, but not that much significant. But when coming to the mean ball weight, here in case of ball weight, the mean ball weight is 5.37 gram per ball, and which is on par with the Mallika BG is on par with Brahma BG. And here if you see the yield, Kapas yield, so Kapas is also on par, which is non-significant. And here if you see the mean, average mean is 21 quintals, 21.70 quintals in case of Mallika BG, and 21.29 quintals in case of Brahma BG, which was on par with that. And in case of, if you see the subplot spacing, mainly the interaction of spacing, if you see here in case of 90 into 60 centimeter, which is the recommended spacing, and 120 into 90 centimeter, which is the farmer adopting spacing. If you see mainly if you see the ball weight is very high. It was high in case of 120 to 90 centimeter, and it was 5.33 grams in case of 90 into 60 centimeter. But when coming to the yield, if you see the yield here, even the closer spacing, where the plant population, the density of plant population is very high, where the mean average yield is almost 2,375 kg per hectare, and in case of wider spacing, it is almost 500 kgs lesser than the whatever the spacing which was closer recommended spacing.